Hey everyone, it's Miss Joyce. Today we'll be multiplying using the partial product strategy. Let's start by multiplying 352 times 14. First, we're going to write these numbers vertically, which means one on top of the other. We're going to start by multiplying 352 times the 4, since the 4 is in the ones place. We'll be multiplying first by the 2 in the ones place. 4 times 2 is 8, so we'll put an 8 over here in the ones place. Next, we're going to multiply 4 times 50, since the 5 is in the tens place. 4 times 50 is 200. So below the 8, we're going to write 200. Next, we're going to multiply 4 times 300, which is 1,200 or 1,200. Next, we're going to be multiplying 352 times 10, since the 1 is in the tens place. 10 times 2 is 20, so we'll put a 20 in below. Next, we'll multiply 10 times 50, which is 500. Finally, 10 times 300 is 3,000, so we'll write 3,000 down here. The last step is to add all of these up to get our final answer. 8 plus nothing is 8. Nothing plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 5 is 9. And 1 plus 3 is 4. So our product or answer to the multiplication problem is 4,928. Next, let's try 1,304 times 23. We'll line these numbers up vertically. Now let's start by multiplying 1,304 times the 3, since the 3 is in the ones place. We're going to start by multiplying by the 4 that's in the ones place. 3 times 4 is 12. Next, we'll multiply 3 times 0, which is 0. Then 3 times 300 is 900. Finally, 3 times 1,000 is 3,000. Next, we're going to multiply 1,304 times 20, since the 2 is in the tens place. 20 times 4 is 80. 20 times 0 is 0. 20 times 300 is 6,000. And 20 times 1,000 is 20,000. Now we can add all these up. We're going to start by adding the ones place. 2 plus nothing is 2. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 0. Is 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. And nothing plus 2 is 2. So our product or answer to the multiplication problem is 29,992. Finally, let's multiply 2,065 times 34. We're going to line these numbers up vertically. We're going to start by multiplying 2,065 times the 4, since the 4 is in the ones place. We're going to multiply by the 5, which is also in the ones place. 4 times 5 is 20. Next, we'll multiply by the 6 in the tens place, so 60. 4 times 60 is 240. Now 4 times 0 is 0, and 4 times 2,000 is 8,000. Next, let's multiply 2,065 times 30, since the 3 is in the tens place. 30 times 5 is 150. 30 times 60 is 1,800. 30 times 0 is 0. And 30 times 2,000 is 60,000. Now let's add all of these up to get our final product. Zeros all the way down, we'll get a 0 in the ones place. 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 5 is 11. So we're going to place a 1 in the tens place, regroup the 1 to the hundreds place. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4. Plus 8 is 12, so we're going to put a 2 in the hundreds place, regroup the 1 to the top of the thousands place. 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 1 more is 10. 0, regroup the 1 to the 10,000s place. 1 plus 6 is 7. So our product or answer to the multiplication problem is 70,210.